Okay, right now we're here at the Club Marriott Lounge here in Clark.
Marriott Hotel.
Oh, alam mo, Kapampangan ka ba?
Kapampangan, sir.
Aba, biyasa ko.
Biyasa ko, sir.
Kapampangan din ako eh. Eh, ikaw, Kapampangan ka rin?
Ano, sir? Multi.
Multi.
I'm from
Okay.
the Visayas area.
Alright, okay.
I
So,
understand sometimes.
okay.
I'm learning the languages of the Kapampangan.
Oh, sige. So, you are selling Club Marriott
Club Marriott membership.
membership. Okay.
Exclusive membership.
Alright. May tatanong muna ako sa'yo bago mo ako bebentahan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ako talaga mahilig mag-hotel eh. Okay. Modesty aside, I'm already a diamond from Accor.
Okay.
Okay. And every time I go to Clark, I usually stay at Swiss Hotel. Problema lang ng Swiss Hotel, which I heard, okay na raw ngayon, wala silang executive lounge. But now I heard they have an executive lounge. Normally, what attracts me in a hotel is the executive lounge. Kasi with the executive lounge, I can have my breakfast, I can have my afternoon tea, and I can get drunk because of the cocktail.
Cocktail.
Pero yung cocktail nyo rito talagang malalasing.
Have you tried,
ka.
sir, dito?
Yeah, last night. Pero malalasing ka rito because normally a cocktail is only 2 hours. But here, my God,
24/7.
Huh?
24/7, sir?
No. It's from
5 p.m.,
5:30 to 9:30.
That's good.
That's how long.
Yeah.
So, talagang, sabi ko nga, tinanong ko, how much is it if I have a guess? No? Correct me if I'm wrong, ha?
1 or 2 packs is 3,500.
3,500? I heard it's 2,400. Inang sabi sa akin?
Wala pa siyang tax and services.
Okay, 3,500.
3,500.
With your membership,
Okay,
you
okay.
get 30%.
With my membership, I get 30%.
No, sir, walang discount yung natin, Executive Lounge access. Wala siyang discount.
For my guests, wala.
Wala po. Even, sir, yung access kasi, yung membership benefit kasi natin, sir, is for the restaurant, and then ito kasi is Executive Lounge, wala siyang discount under Club
Okay,
Marriott.
I see. Okay, well, anyway, what I'm saying is, if I have a guest, I pay 2,400 plus all the taxes, it becomes 3,500.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but then again, it comes with the food and all the drinks, right? Drink all you can.
Yes,
From 5:30 to 9:30.
9:30.
Well, it's still good. Medyo mahal ng konti.
Tapos yung access
Pero
niya
okay
na
pa rin
is-
kasi naka-hotel ka eh.
And then yung access mo na, sir, is dun sa buong stay mo na yan for 24 hours. Yung
Oh,
access
no,
mo.
I don't think we understand each other. Ang sinasabi ko, cocktail lang.
Cocktail. Once kasi, sir, nag-avail...
Bakit naging 24 hours?
Once kasi, sir, nag-avail ka ng... I mean, hindi 24 hours. Once kasi nag-avail ka ng access mo dito sa M-Lounge,
Okay.
yung validity ng access mo is within your stay. Halimbawa, nag-stay ka ng 3 p.m., check-in, nag-avail ka ng access, check-out mo is 12 noon. So, aside sa din...
Sandali, baka hindi tayo nakakaintindihan. Baka malito yung mga aking mga viewers. Ang sinasabi ko lang is, because I like the lounge, okay, I'd like to invite some friends to come along. Ang sinasabi ko, just the cocktail.
Okay.
Oo, baka hindi tayo nakakaintindihan. Magkano yung cocktail lang?
The price, yes.
Yeah, the price
Same
for my guests.
Yes.
We don't sell here, sir, the wine or any beverages. Yung access yung binibili natin para makapasok tayo dito sa Executive Lounge. Which is yung sinabi nila sa inyo na
2,400. So, hindi siya 3,500.
Magiging 3,500 siya, sir, kapag na-include yung taxes and yung service charge.
Okay, so you're sure that's for the cocktails?
Yes, sir.
You're tamang information yan. Baka maling information binibigay mo.
Tama, sir.
Oh, sige. Okay.
5:30
Granted, tamang information. Okay, so, ano tong binibenta mong membership?
Membership, sir, we have 2 tier. The premium tier and the classic tier. Premium tier, ito yung may overnight stay. Classic tier doesn't have. Ang highlight ni premium tier is yung overnight stay. And then classic tier is more on dining. So kung madalas ka mag-dine, we should enroll the classic tier. Pero kung premium tier naman, if you have planned to stay overnight, 2 nights, or long staying po kayo, I suggest the premium tier.
Alright, so maganda rin to kasi para ma-remember ko, no? So, I'm sure mas mahal yung premium tier kasi may overnight. Correct?
Premium tier it costs 13,888 and then classic tier it costs 7,888. But as of today,
Yeah.
premium tier ranging 12,888
May discount?
with 2 supplementary. Yes, sir.
What do you mean? Aside from the discount, may supplement.
Supplementary, sir, extension.
So I can give it to a
To your
guest?
wife. To your wife or to your son, relatives, or
Okay.
a friend
A friend,
na madalas
pwede.
din mag-dine or check-in.
Okay.
Ang different nila, same benefit kayo sa card discount. Pero si extension, wala siyang marireceive na vouchers.
Correct. Pero si extension, may magkakaroon siya ng discount.
Discount.
Alright.
Right, for example,
Okay.
magda-dine-in siya sa Marriott Manila. She can use yung 30% discount, total food bill, maximum of 10 packs. And then sa accommodation naman, 20% discount, maximum 2 rooms every day without breakfast.
Okay, ito yung tanong ko kasi alam mo, kami, may edad na kami, di ba? I'm senior citizen. Ilang percent yung discount if I become a member?
30% sir sa restaurant.
Oh, now let me ask you. Okay, 30% discount. Okay, what, I'm a senior citizen and my wife is also a senior citizen. So, anong mas mura? Kasi ang senior citizen walang VAT eh. What will come out cheaper?
If ever man sir na mag-dine in kayo in a group,
No, me and my wife. Kasi madalas kaming dalawa lang.
dalawa lang kayo.
Oh.
Ang privilege kasi ni senior, yun nga, per card owner, madi-discount siya ng 20% plus wala siyang tax.
No, my question is, anong mas mura? Yung aking membership, kasi member ako na 30%, o yung discount ko as senior citizen na may 20% ako tapos wala siyang VAT, which will come out cheaper pa rin.
30% pa rin sir, si Club Marriott pa rin.
Are you sure?
Kasi sir,
Kasi ang Marriott, di ba, merong sisingiling ka ng VAT?
kapag hindi ka senior, sisingilin ka niya ng VAT. Pero kung senior ka, ang babayaran mo is walang VAT din sir, walang tax yun.
Are you sure of that? So, ibig mo sabihin, meron na akong 30% discount at ibabawas yung VAT. Wala akong VAT, bale?
Kapag 30% yung ginamit mo sir,
Yes.
may VAT yun.
Oh, may
Ngayon,
VAT yun.
kung senior ka and you availed membership and then you choose isa lang kung ano yung gagamitin mong discount. Either si senior card discount or si 30% card discount.
Hindi, nagigets kita. Pasensya ka na. Kasi ako, siyempre, kinukumpit ko lahat yan eh. Ang sinasabi ko lang, okay, bumili na ako ng membership. I have 30%, right? Eh, dalawa lang kami mag-asawa, pareho kami senior. Let's say, ang bill ko, 10,000 pesos. Pag kinumpit mo siya, which will come out cheaper?
Dalawa lang kayong senior.
Dalawa lang kami.
Okay. Sir, ang masasabi ko dyan, sir, is only apply one discount one at a time. Sinasuggest ni minsan sa property, sir, na kung mas mataas yung senior card mo, doon sila nag-a-apply.
Sandali, baka hindi marinig yung boses mo kasi wala kang earphone. Anyway, can you explain? Can you
Kasi
explain?
pag,
Hindi, ikaw
pag-grupo
mag-explain
siya,
kasi
pag-grupo
wala
sila.
siyang mic eh.
Diba? Siya
Yeah.
yung buhanan.
Okay.
Pero ang pinopoint kasi ni sir, if dalawa sila and then dalawa silang
Yes.
senior, they will going to dine. Tapos, ano yung mas cheaper?
Yeah.
If
Ayun.
the senior ba or the Club Marriott? Tama
Correct,
yun.
correct. That's my question. Ikaw na mag-explain kasi ikaw yung merong mikropono.
Ang mas cheaper sir is yung card discount under Club Marriott kasi it's 30%.
Ganon.
Kasi si senior, ang alam ko sir, 20% without tax.
Oh, sige. Okay, sige. Assume natin na mas mura yon. So, we'll just have to compute later kasi naka-vlog tayo. Okay, so aside from the 30%, what other benefits does a member get?
Okay. Sa card discount sir, sa accommodation, 20% discount, maximum 2 rooms every day without breakfast.
2 rooms every day.
Per day.
Okay.
Hindi lang natin magagamit yung card discount during holidays or blackout dates. What are the blackout dates? Those are the dates po na Christmas holidays, yung mga holidays po natin.
Yung 2 rooms na 20% discount, is that based on Marriott rate card or sa mga Agoda? Where
Marriott po. Kasi ibang platform po yung si Agoda, si Booking.com, ibang platform.
Sino bang mas mahal? Si Marriott o sila Agoda? Pagka bumibili ka?
Iba po, sa Marriott kasi sir, iba-iba yung rate. Depende sa occupancy. The higher the rate, the higher the...
Sige. Whatever it is. Anyway, kinakanis naman yan. Okay, so you get 20%. What else do you get?
And then sa restaurant naman sir, 30%. If you dine here sa mismong Clark, 30%, maximum 20, minimum of 2 total food bill.
So hanggang ilang tao yung discount na 30%?
Maximum 20, minimum
20?
of 2 total food bill.
Oh, wow.
Dito sa Clark.
Buong ano na yan, buong pamilya na yan, piti na yung mga apo.
Pero if you dine sa ibang property like Marriott Manila,
Yeah.
Sheraton Manila Bay, maximum 10. Dito lang sa property na Clark, maximum
okay.
20. Kasi dito ka nag-enroll.
Maximum 20.
Maximum 20 bucks.
Sa iba, maximum
10.
at 10. But everything is 30% discount.
20% total food bill.
Okay. Are we talking about Philippine properties lang o
Kapag
kasama yung Southeast Asia?
Asia Pacific
Ha?
sir. Asia Pacific.
Okay, so when you say Asia Pacific, ang kasama dyan, Vietnam,
Hong Kong, Malaysia, yun. So if you...
Korea,
kasama.
piti Japan. Hindi, i-mention lahat natin kasi para clear yon. Kasama ba sa yung sa discount yung piti Australia dyan?
Hindi po.
Hindi. O sige, ano mga countries kasama?
Makikita natin sa app.
Okay. Alright. O sige. So, basta Southeast Pacific.
Asia Pacific.
Basta Asia Pacific. Kung ano kasama doon. Okay. Sige. So, ang sinasabi niya is, which is also good. If you're a fan of traveling, you get 30% discount. No? Ano rin yun? It applies also like 10 people. Pwede.
Yes sir, pero ang difference niya if you go abroad like international, sa accommodation 20% 2 rooms, same lang. Pero sa restaurant naman, if you go international, ang magiging discount mo sa dining is 20%. Not like here sa Philippines, 30% discount, maximum 10 if you go sa Manila, Marriott Manila. And then sa international naman, ang dining and accommodation, same discount, 20%.
Okay, paano yung mga affiliates ng Marriott tulad ng there's a Sheraton near Marriott there. Is it also applicable?
Saan yan sir?
Yung katabi ng Marriott Manila, which is
Marriott Manila
Sheraton. Applicable din.
Applicable yung card discount natin.
Which is
30% discount sa restaurant.
Sa restaurant.
Maximum 10.
Okay, so bottom line, lahat ng affiliated sa Marriott sa Asia Pacific, you get 30% discount. Medyo okay na yun. Sige, okay.
Pero sa local sir, 30% discount, maximum 10 if you go sa Marriott Manila, Sheraton Manila Bay, Sheraton Manila.
Okay.
And then kapag pumunta ka naman ng Japan, 20% discount sa restaurant, maximum 10.
Alright. Okay.
Ganun siya.
Sige, fair
And
enough.
then,
Okay.
Ito yung card discount mo. And then yung once na you enroll, magiging entitled ka na ng mga card discounts eh. So itong mga vouchers na to are the perks. Ang binayaran natin is ito yung membership, which is the card discount.
Sige.
And then once na nag-enroll ka, yung perks mo is yung mga vouchers na may receive mo kung saan kayo nag-enroll na property, which is the Clark Marriott Hotel.
Okay.
So if you enroll the premium tier, you'll get complimentary overnight stay with breakfast for 2. And then 50% off applicable ng Sunday or Monday check-in sa accommodation. And then also we have the complimentary
50% discount
50% off
for
pero applicable lang siya ng Sunday or Monday check-in.
Sunday to
check-in, Monday check-out, or Monday check-in, Tuesday check-out.
So 2 araw lang 'yon.
Apo, pero ano lang to sir, sa isang overnight lang to. Halimbawa, you stay 2 nights.
Oh.
First night mo is the free night. Second
Free
night
night.
mo is the 50%.
Okay. The first night is free. Yung susunod na night is 50%.
50%.
Oh. Pero it has to follow na Sunday
Or Monday.
Sige. Okay.
And then upgrade voucher,
Okay.
our free night stays at deluxe room, we cannot apply complimentary upgrade. Hindi po upgradable si free night. We can upgrade 50% and the 20%. Basta paying yung room mo, we can apply the upgrade voucher. And then sir, regarding this, if you book sa Agoda or Booking.com, we cannot apply the upgrade voucher. Kailangan ng gamitin mong discount to apply the upgrade voucher is the Club Marriott 20% discount.
Okay, sige.
Nakikita
Sa rooms yan,
sa rooms.
Okay.
And then we also have the complimentary buffet lunch for 2 at Goji. Na-try mo na sa Goji, sir?
Hindi pa. Hindi to kasi ako nag-breakfast kanina eh.
Dito
well,
kayo nag-breakfast.
yeah. Anyway, sige.
Goji is the buffet restaurant po,
Okay.
international buffet.
Yeah.
And then applicable yung lunch voucher ng Mondays to Thursdays.
Oh, you have a lunch voucher.
Lunch voucher for
Okay.
2.
Siyempre, libre yun, ano?
Libre.
Voucher.
Complimentary
Siyempre.
buffet.
Oh, okay.
And also we have
Magkano ba yung buffet doon?
Monday to Thursday, sir, yung rate ni Goji is 2,500. So kung dalawa kayo, 5,000 na yung
Oh, hindi
cost.
parang bawi-bawi ka
Bawi
na.
ka na.
Okay.
Once na na-consume mo na si Free Night, parang nabawi mo na yung pinambayad mo din sa member.
Bakit mo sinabi yun? Magkano ba yung overnight rito?
Nagre-range po yung yung overnight stay natin ng 9 to 11,000 for non-member, for 20% discount. Pero kung non-member ka, magre-range siya ng 12 to 15,000 overnight deluxe.
Wait, question lang Kasi alam ko mas mahal yung Marriott Manila. Pwede ko rin siyang gamitin doon sa Marriott
Yes
Manila?
po, yung car discount natin sa cross.
No. Yung overnight.
No sir, dito lang sa car.
Dito lang.
Applicable
Oh,
yung
okay,
mga
okay,
vouchers.
okay.
Ang magagamit mo lang sa ibang property is the car discount.
Okay.
Itong mga ito, kung saan mo in-enroll, dun lang siya applicable.
Doon lang, okay. Paano kung nag-enroll ako sa Marriott Manila? Ganun din ang sistema?
Same po.
Ganun din ang sistema?
Kung dun kayo nag-enroll, may mga vouchers din sila na exclusive lang din dun sa property nila.
Okay, sige. So far, so good. Let's listen more.
And then,
Okay.
complimentary cake, sir.
Cake?
We also have a complimentary cake. This
Sa birthday yan.
Yes sir, birth month. Pwede mo siya
Birth
ma-avail.
month.
Ngayon,
Okay.
kung hindi mo siya nagagamit ng birth month mo, and then you decided to dine
Okay.
another month, pwede mo pa rin sir i-avail to.
Oh, sige. Okay.
Ang cake natin is 7x7 in dimension. Isang box mo siyang 1 whole cake.
Naku, masama sa akin yan
Sweet.
Ah,
Sugar.
May sugar Di ba, papakain ko sa mga anak ko.
Pwede po kung pasalubong. Yeah.
Oh.
But we need to book po 48 hours reservation. 2
Okay.
days reservation.
Sige.
And also we have 2 glasses of house wine and 1,000 dining certificate at Smoky Moto. Smoky
2
Moto
glasses of house wine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Smoky Moto is located in 17th floor.
Yes.
Korean and Japanese restaurant. A la
Yes,
carte.
I saw it last night. Napakaganda nga
Maganda yung view mo
Oh,
dun, sir.
maganda.
Kapag magandang gamitin.
Maganda yung, yun yata pinakamaganda yung area kasi may view ka. Tsaka,
Sa roof deck.
Oo. Tsaka meron siyang teppanyaki room.
Meron po.
So, magagamit nun kung marami kami.
Kapag
May
in-
30% discount.
30%.
Okay.
Pero
sa teppanyaki yan. Okay.
If ever sir na you're in a group like 8 packs to 10 person, ganyan, kapag naka-minimum spend ka ng 10,000, doon mo pa lang pwedeng i-apply si 1,000.
Ulit.
Kapag nasa group ka sir, like 10 packs kayo,
Okay.
for sure mamimit natin si 10,000
Correct.
yung spending. Doon mo pwedeng i-apply si 1,000 dining certificate.
So
Once you
aside sa 30%, may 1,000 pa?
Yep, once na na-apply mo si 1,000, yung
Oh.
remaining balance mo, less 30%.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Pero magandang gamitin ito kapag you're in a group, like 10 packs or 8 packs.
Pag narinig ng mga kaibigan ko to, baka magsibilihan sila.
For sure.
Paano kung bibili sila sa ibang property, wala ka ng commission doon, ano?
Wala.
Dapat dito sila bibili para may commission ka.
Para meron ka rin incentive, sir, pag dito sila nag-enter.
Bakit? Anong incentive ko?
Kasi
Free
if-
night?
Kasi sir, kapag nakapag-refer tayo ng dalawang
Oh.
friend mo, we have complimentary buffet lunch for 2 at Goji.
Complimentary buffet lunch sa
At
Goji. Okay, yun ang incentive.
Ng member.
Pagkas pagkain, ano?
Ito
Sige. Okay.
Because we're in a culinary capital.
Okay. Sige.
And then sir, meron kang 10 voucher na member for a day. Ano nga ba yung member for a day?
Oh.
If you have a friend or relatives na non-member,
Okay.
and then ikaw sir, assuming member na tayo,
Okay.
gusto nila mag-dine in sa Goji, Smoky or Wuxing, and then hindi ka nila kasama, pwede mo silang transferan ng member for a day to get the 30% discount, maximum 20.
Okay. Bagay yan sa mga hindi senior citizen.
Pwede po.
Makaka-discount.
Lalo na kung madami sila. Nasa
Okay.
10 packs, 15 packs.
Laman kasi yung senior citizen, no?
Magiging...
Parang automatic discount kami sa lahat.
Kung yung car donor lang, na sir. Yung
Yeah,
car
yeah.
donor lang yung mali.
Sige, gets ko na yan.
And
Okay.
then, the complimentary usage of gym. So, kung hindi ka naka-check-in and then napadaan ka ng Clark Marriott, you want to gym, pwede po tayong mag-gym for 2 people. And then, that 20% off sa spa. So,
Okay.
yung spa, sir, yung 20% niya is per session. Like foot massage,
Okay.
20%, back massage, 20%.
Yeah, nakita ko rin yung spa kahapon.
Ganun.
Okay, so may discount
Pero
din sa
kapag
spa.
naka-check-in tayo, meron tayong access sa sauna, hydro lounge.
Okay, alright.
Ayan po.
That's it.
That's the premium tier.
So
I
again, ang presyo nun is
13,888, pero we're selling it 12,888 as our promo.
so parang na-discount ng 1,000.
Yes.
At may kasama ano yan,
Free
yung extension. Okay, kahit kanino.
Pero isa lang na sir yung ilalagay natin.
Yeah. Pero kahit kanino
Kahit
pwede
kanino.
ibigay, kahit kaibigan.
Friend or relatives mo
Okay.
na madalas mag-dine or check.
Alright. Wala lang siyang overnight.
Wala lang siyang vouchers.
Gets ko na. Okay.
Tapos sir, ipapakita ko sa inyo.
So anong difference nun at saka itong mas mura na classic tier?
Si classic tier
Wala
naman,
lang siyang overnight,
Wala
di ba?
siyang overnight stay. More on dining yung ano niya,
Okay.
benefits niya.
So almost the same do sa in-explain mo.
Yes po.
Ah,
Ang kaibahan lang ni classic tier, sa lahat ng outlet, like sa lahat ng restaurant, meron siyang benefits na pwede niyang i-apply. Pwede niyang
Oh,
i-gamit.
sige. Okay. Wala na. That's it.
That's it. Pero ipapakita ko sa iyo,
Oh.
sir, yung mga
Magaling magbenta.
hotels para just in case na you plan to stay sa Japan,
Okay.
alam mo kung saan mo magagamit yung account mo.
Hindi, basta
Hindi na rin-
basta Marriott affiliate, di ba?
Aba, hindi na rin tayo sir nag-i-issue ng paper voucher and fiscal card. So fully digital na.
Yeah.
Ma-access mo yung voucher through Club Marriott app.
Pero ang gusto kong malaman, hindi yata applicable sa Ritz-Carlton yan, ano?
Hindi po.
Yung mga high-end, hindi, ano lang, JW Marriott.
Yes po, JW Marriott.
Oh, pero yung high-end niya na Ritz-Carlton, hindi siya applicable.
Hindi po.
Okay. Masyado kasing rich yun, no? Kahit Marriott property, hindi pwede. Oh, sige.
Ito sir yung mga countries. We have China, Guam, Hong Kong,
Yeah.
Indonesia, Japan, Korea, Macau,
Okay.
Malaysia, the Philippines, Singapore, Sri
Oh.
Lanka, Taiwan, and Vietnam.
Alright. Oh, yun ang sasabi mong Asia Pacific.
Asia Pacific. Ito yung mga affiliated po dun sa pwede mo magamit yung card discount.
Alright.
Pero yung mga vouchers,
Wala bang Marriott sa Cambodia?
wala po, tsaka hindi
Wala,
rin siya, po.
Oo. Pero anyway, Korea, nandyan ano?
Nandun.
Nandyan ang Korea. Okay. Alright. O sige, so ano pang makukuha sa payment pag nagbayad ka as member? Wala na?
Wala na sir.
Wala
Bali,
na.
ang ano lang, if ever man na, ano bang preferred mo mode of payment ngayon sir? Credit card or
Yeah, of course, credit card. Oo.
Tapos sir, if ever man na meron ka ng possible date for the free night, I suggest i-book na natin in advance kasi ayaw naman na i-enroll mo siya tapos bigla mo siyang gagamitin tapos hindi available yung date, nakaka-disappoint kasi in-enroll mo siya tapos hindi mo magagamit. Kasi meron tayong allotment, especially if
Okay.
weekend yung preferred natin. So if ever man na ngayon pa lang sir, i-book mo na in
Book
advance.
earlier.
Kahit tentative lang, at least ma-secure mo yung date.
Okay.
Free cancellation naman tayo sir. Pwede naman natin i-advise yung agent natin to cancel
Okay.
the room or to move the room.
So yung membership, 1 year yan.
1 year.
From the start of the payment.
So kung i-enroll mo siya ngayon, ang magiging validity ng membership mo another promo is September 31, 2026.
So yung bale yung umpisa ng buwan.
Yes.
Kung September ka nagbayad hanggang end of September, ganun ba?
Pero ngayon kasi is August.
Oo.
So ang payment natin today, ang magiging validity para siyang plus 1 month.
O plus 1 month.
Para magiging ano siya.
Pwede ko pong magme-member pala ako ng September 1. O di...
Ano pa rin sir? If September 1, ang magiging validity mo is September pa rin.
akala ko may...
Ano siya sir,
additional
magiging
one.
add lang siya kapag yung month mo is, kapag nag-enroll ka is 16 to 30.
Sige. Okay. Ano pa ang pag-uusapan natin?
Ayun na sir, sa
Wala
payment,
na.
sa payment na tayo.
Sige. Hindi, sasarado ko muna itong ating vlog.
Yeah.
Para di-decide ko kung bibili ako o hindi.
Of course.
Okay? Sige, maraming salamat. At kung gusto pala nyong bumili, problema, ay may yata bigay yung pangalan mo,
Wendell sir, I'm Wendell.
Wendell. Hanapin nyo si Wendell. Wendell lang, walang family name.
Manarang sir.
Ha?
Manarang.
Wendell Manarang. Talagang Kapampangan na
Kapampangan na.
Sige, hanapin nyo si Wendell Manarang. Pero yung kanya sinasabi, applicable dito sa Marriott Clark. No? Alam nyo, Ako, nag-i-enjoy talaga ngayon dito sa Marriott Clark because I've been a Diamond member for Accor for so long. And ang advantage ng Marriott is they have more hotels worldwide. I think Marriott owns a little bit less than 9,000 properties worldwide.
Worldwide.
Okay? So, mas marami siyang properties compared sa Accor. So, kung lalabas ka sa ibang bansa, mas marami kang choices. Tama?
Yes po.
Ano ba ang pinaka-low end ng Marriott property? Kasi kumbaga sa Accor, ang pinaka-low end niya yung Ibis. Ano ba ang pinaka-murang hotel ng Marriott property? Would you know?
Parang for me, sir, as experience, is the Sheraton.
Mas murang Sheraton? Ano?
Kasi nagre-range kasi sila ng 8 to 10.
Alam ko na. Meron. Kasi galing lang ako sa Bali. Yung A-Loft is a very cheap property at napakaganda. Basta kasama sa affiliates, kasama yung mga
Anong country yan, sir?
Yung A-Loft, I was there a few months, last month lang, I was in Bali. Okay, so, meron pang isa, which I did not try, katabi ng A-Loft to A-Loft. It's called
4 points by
4
Sheraton.
points. 4 points by Sheraton.
4 points by
So
Sheraton.
kasama yon. So kung pupunta ka ng Boracay, kasi siyempre mga nakikinig sa akin, pupunta ka doon, meron kang discount sa 4 points.
Gagamit.
Right. Yun lang yata ang property ng Marriott sa Boracay. 4 points,
4
no?
points, yes po.
4 points by Sheraton.
4 points by Sheraton.
Sa Palawan meron din.
So every time you want to dine, you get 30% off.
Yes po, 30%.
Okay. Isa pang madalas puntahan, Bohol. Meron ba sa Bohol?
Wala po.
Wala, no? Pero Cebu meron.
Upcoming meron, pero
Hindi,
wala.
merong Marriott sa Cebu.
Meron siya, sir, pero hindi pa siya
Affiliated
sa
sa Club Marriott.
We're waiting for the property to make
All right. Okay.
So with Palawan, but we are waiting for the affiliation.
Sa Palawan, it's called Marriott.
4 points by Sheraton.
4
Palawan.
points. Maganda naman yung mga ganung mga murang hotel kasi makakatipid ka. Kasi pag nag-JW ka, maganda nga, pero it's much more expensive. Wendell.
Here po yung mga affiliate natin sa Philippines. We have the Clark Marriott Hotel.
Yeah.
Courtyard by Marriott Iloilo.
Yan, nasubukan ko na yan. Maganda yan. Sa
And then the
Iloilo.
4 points by Sheraton Boracay.
Yan, hindi ko pa
And
natatry
then
yan.
sa Marriott Manila Hotel at Newport World Resort.
Maganda yan.
Manila.
Natry ko na yan.
Sheraton Manila.
Sheraton Manila Bay, Sheraton Manila Hotel. Ito yung malapit lang sa Sheraton.
Yes. Dalawa yung Sheraton sa Manila.
Yes po, we have
The
the Manila
Manila
Bay.
Okay.
And then the
At saka
West.
alam mo, ang Sheraton, magaganda yung hotels niya sa Asia Pacific. Maganda,
Yes, sir.
maganda. Okay.
And then last po is the Westin Manila.
Oh,
Which is yung
yes,
The
yes.
new build po sa may Ortigas.
Correct. Nag-dine-in na ako doon.
Nagamit mo rin yun.
Nagamit ko. Masarap yung doon, yung Spanish restaurant nila sa roof deck. Sige, we're gonna close this kasi mukhang may ibang bebentahan ka pa, no?
For sure.
Okay. So, swerte mo, yung mga 4,000 followers ko, madidinig to. Pag nadinig to, meron
May message ka
meron
nila,
akong
sir.
free breakfast.
Free
Yes,
lunch.
sir.
Free lunch. Sige. Okay, yung mga followers ko, magsibilya na kayo. Hanapin nyo si Wendell or si
Miss Emma.
Emma. Ano family name mo, Emma? Gusto mo ba pangalan?
Asibron.
Ha?
Okay lang yun, sir. Emma Asibron.
Oo, kasi kanina ayaw mo ibigay eh.
No, sir.
Sige.
Because, sir, if you want my name, full name, Emma Asibron Yogyog.
Yun, nadinig nyo. Sana nadinig ng mikropono yun.
I'm
Okay, bye-bye for now. See you again soon. And
Good luck.
bibili na kayo ng
Good
Marriott.
luck.
At dito tayo magkikita-kita.